What is this word in Kurdish? Duvet. We say lihêf, lihêf, or in some regions people say Oran, lihêf. And this word, breakfast, we say taştê, taştê. And this word, shadow. How to say shadow in Kurdish? It is si, si. For example, you say shadow of the tree, siya dare. And this word, sunbeam, how to say sunbeam? It is tîrêj, tîrêj. And this one, man's headscarf. It is very common for Kurdish men. We call it kefî, kefî. Usually the old people, mostly in villages, they are wearing.